Siguro mas more on kinakabahan para sa pagkapako sa character kasi nangangapa pa ako sa character. Pero with Andres, parang sa kanya ako nakakuha ng assurance na kaya mo yan. Yun, sa kanya ako nakuha yun.
Assurance.
Yes.
Yes.
The first few days ng shooting namin it was not easy, pero nag-enjoy kami talaga. Yung mga first few sequences were, di ba direct medyo mga mabigat na eksena. Mabigat. Yung mga first 5 days ng shoot, it was all mga mabigat na eksena. So, syempre, kinabahan kami. But overall, since we enjoy what we're doing and we enjoy the craft of acting, we were able to get it done and do a good job, I hope.
And last question, paano kayo nakarelate sa mga characters mo sa film? Paano kayo nakarelate? Medyo pareho sa mga characters ng real life?
So tingin ko kasi si Rafi, he's a very shy person. I don't want to say din na he's introverted. Parang ako dati nung nasa high school ako, I was not super extroverted. I was medyo shy, tahimik lang talaga. Tapos parang, I don't want to spoil it. But yun nga, parang nung high school ako, I was a little bit shy, and as I started to work here in the industry, I started to learn more about myself and I guess bloom to who I am today. Bloom, flower, reference. And yun, I think it's very similar. Ako naman, I think it was very similar yung character ko ni Andres kay Rafi. At least in the idea na how nice he is and how thoughtful Rafi is, I think it applies to me as well.
And Ash?
Ako siguro sa akin, parehas kami na alam kung hanggang saan or kung hanggang kailan lang dapat yung mga bagay-bagay. Yung parang hindi namin pinipilit kung ano yung hindi para sa amin.
Thank you. Best of luck.
Thank you po.
There we go. All right. Last on the list we have from Pika Pika and Abante, Miss Ana Pingon.
Hi, hello. Hello po.
Hello.
Marami na kami nakitang love teams sa pagpa-coverage namin sa showbiz. Ang kalaban usually, pag lalo na magsikat, burnout. Paano nyo kaya malalabanan yun?
Pagod, yung burnout. Ako naman, ano kaya? Burnout, di ko pa masabi. Kasi I'm very new din. So, right now, habang may energy pa ako, habang bata pa ako, I'm trying to really make the most. And I'm sure also Ash, diba? But, yeah, go.
Pero siguro kung darating man po yung panahon na yun, siguro isipin namin kung bakit kami nagsimula, kung bakit namin gusto yung ginagawa namin. Kasi darating talaga yun parang minsan mapapagod ka, isipin mo kung tuloy ko pa ba ito, ganyan. Pero kung aalalahanin mo kung bakit mo gusto itong ginagawa mo, parang mababago yung mood mo, mababago parang ma-revive yung eagerness mo gawin ulit yung trabaho mo. Yun po.
Next question.
Add ko lang po, it helps din siguro, although it helps din siguro na they really like each other's company. So parang nag-lift up nila each other in spite of the stress. Diba? It helps kasi pag ganun, diba? So imagine mo lang, halimbawa, hindi nila gusto yung isa't isa, tapos nandito sila sa ganitong trabaho. Talagang mag-a-attitude sila. Pero yun, I think it's, aminin nyo, nakakabawas ng stress. You like being in each other's company because you support each other.
Yun nga, if I may add na parang when I'm with Ash, halimbawa kapag nasa-stress ako sa mga eksena or mga trabaho namin, mas na-feel ko na, okay, kasama ko si Ash, so I can always, work with her and there's that dynamic. Or minsan kapag nasa-stress si Ash, tinutulong ko din siya those times. And it's a team effort. We help each other,
Next question. In some level, minamahal nyo na ba ang isa't isa?
Pakinggan mo.
Una? You know, I mean ko talaga, like, there is love talaga. Because we have this bond, you know, the amount of time that we've worked with each other and everything. We're really, really, really good friends. And there is that bond. And syempre naman, because she's my friend, there is that love, you know. And I really appreciate Ashlyn for who she is. And definitely, I would say that she's helped me so much in my journey. Because kahit bago pa ako, she makes it easier for me to work in some of these sequences, you know. And yun, ikaw.
Ako, same po, syempre, my love din. Kahit sino na, hindi, syempre, love namin si Derek. Totoo yun, kasi mas makakapag-work kayo ng maayos if love niyo yung isa't isa. And sobrang thankful talaga ako na ang kasama ko ngayon ay si Andres. Kasi sobrang mas magaan talaga, tulad mo na sabi ni Derek, mas magaan magtrabaho kapag trust mo or comfortable ka sa partner mo. Thank you po.
There we go, and I think that wraps up our Q&A session. Palakpakan naman natin lahat, pero I'd like to add lang, di ba kanina tinagawa nila, bakit sa tingin niyo minamahal niyo ng mga audience niyo from kids to teenagers to adults? Kasi feeling ko in a world full of pretentious people, where you can wear a mask, you never try. Sa lahat ng mga ginagawa niyo. And take it from me. Palakpakan naman natin guys, all of the media friends na nagtanong, and of course, Derek, and of course, Ashton, and of course, Andres. Palakpakan natin sila for being able to answer all of your questions. Sa ating media friends, maraming salamat po. Again, our official hashtags are hashtag Minamahal MediaCon, hashtag Minamahal Movie, and guys, ito na, campus tours and mall tours, ipopost namin sa social media. Dapat nating abangan yan. And of course, international screenings natin. Again, 24 sa Philippines, 26 sa USA and Canada, at sa Middle East naman, coming soon. And of course, sa ibang bansa pa guys, to the best of our ability, we were gonna explore the whole world, diba? To be announced pa yung mga bagay na. Thank you so much! Guys, alright, last photo opportunity para sa ating media friends.
And lastly, if I may add.
And lastly?
Tickets are already now available, so please check your local cinema, and tickets are already available, so please support.
Yes, Ashton, you want to say your last messages para sa kanila bago tayo umalis?
Ako gusto ko lang po talagang magpasalamat. Walang sawang pasasalamat talaga sa binibigay niyo pong oras sa amin ngayon sa suporta, sa pagmamahal. Thank you so much po. And sana